Hello everyone. Welcome to the video tutorial of Document Management System. Agenda. Today in this training video, we will learn about document actions in DMS. Although there are several document actions available, but in this session, we will specifically focus on download document action and workflow action functionality, along with an example. Objectives. Objective of this training is to understand following. What does the workflow document action include? How can a user download the document to their local system? What is the purpose of using it? How they help in DMS working? Prerequisites. To perform this activity, the user must have a tenant account, an admin role with organization access, along with the access of DMS form. Additionally, the workflow must be configured in the system. Document actions. These are the list of document actions available in DMS. First, details. Edit document. Checkout. Check-in. Undo checkout. Delete. Move document. Forward. Document access. Send email. Send email with QR code. Chat. Attachment. Subscribe, unsubscribe document. Copy document. Download. Workflow. Upload. In document. Out document. Enable AI. These actions are visible based on the user's access. In this training video, I will cover the highlighted action. Download document. The download document action in the document management system allows users to securely download documents to their local device. This action ensures that users can access document files offline for review, editing, or record-keeping purposes. The users with read-only permission are also permitted to download documents. The feature helps to maintain data integrity while providing flexibility and ease of access to documents whenever needed. Let us understand this in detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Click the Employees Policies 2026 folder to view all the uploaded documents. Then, select the Leave Policy document and click the three ellipses next to it. This will show the list of the document actions available in the DMS. Select the Download Document action from the list. By clicking this option, the document will be successfully downloaded to the user local system. To view the document, the user clicks on the downloaded document, and it will open locally. The user can then view, modify, or save it as a new document on their local system. Moving to the PPT. Next, document action is workflow. Workflow document action in a document management system enables users to automate specific tasks based on predefined workflow configurations. It simplifies document handling by ensuring that actions are performed automatically according to the workflow setup. By selecting the workflow document action in DMS, users can view the status and activities of the configured workflow for the selected document. Let us understand this by using example. For example, when a user uploads a document under a specific document category and the workflow is configured to move documents of that category to a designated folder, the system automatically moves the document in the correct folder. This removes the need for manual handling, saving time and reducing the chance of errors. Let us understand it in more detail by navigating to the Onfinity system. Please log into system using tenant account and admin role with organization access. Once logged in, please open DMS web form from the menu. Select the Business Documents folder to view all the uploaded documents. To upload a new document, the user clicks the Upload Document icon from the header section of the DMS form. An Upload Document pop-up will then appear on the user screen. The user clicks the Select Files button to select a document from their local system. While uploading the documents, the user should keep the following points in mind. The document name should not contain special characters, except for underscores, hyphens, full stops, and brackets. The user can upload up to 10 documents at a time. The document size should not exceed 200 MB. After selecting the document, the user chooses a document category from the drop-down, for example, selecting AP Invoice from the drop-down menu. Next, the user selects the folder where the documents need to be uploaded. By default, the Business Documents folder is displayed, as the Upload pop-up was opened from that folder. Currently, I am using the default folder. Next, Keep Version. The user selects an option from the dropdown to manage the duplicity of documents in selected folder. Currently, the default option is being used. For more details, refer to the Folder Action Upload Document video, which explains these options in detail. Next, the user enters the version number. By default, the version number is set to 1. Next, the user selects the General Attribute and General Attribute Set instance from the drop-down options based on the requirements. Currently, I am not selecting any. After entering all the required details, click OK to successfully upload the document. To verify, the user clicks the refresh button to reload the form. As shown, the document has not been uploaded in the Business Documents folder. The user now navigates to the DMS form header by clicking on My DMS. Click the Order Documents folder to navigate inside it and view the uploaded documents. As shown, the uploaded document is successfully visible within the Order Documents folder. Next, the user selects the document and click the 3 ellipses displayed next to the IT. A list of available document action appears. From the list, select the Workflow Document action. By clicking this action, the user is redirected to the Workflow Status screen. As shown, the workflow status is completed. To view the activity of each workflow node, the user navigates to the Activity tab. Here, the activity for all workflow nodes is displayed. As shown, the process starts with the Start node, followed by the Move Document node, and then the End node, with all nodes showing a completed status. To view the total number of events, the user navigates to the Events tab. This tab provides details of all workflow events, including those that have been completed and those that are pending. Since this workflow has only 3 events and all 3 have been completed, all 3 events are visible. To verify, the user returns to the DMS web form and clicks the document name to open its details. To view the document activity, the user navigates to the Activity tab. Here, it is confirmed that the document was initially uploaded to the Business Documents folder, and by default, the Jackson user, who is the document owner, was automatically granted full permissions. The document was uploaded in the check-in stage. Afterwards, the Move Document workflow was executed, and the document was moved from the Business Documents folder to the Order Documents folder. Click the cross to close the activity of the document. So, in this video, we have covered the download and workflow document actions, and the remaining actions will be explained in the upcoming videos. Thank you.